Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today in this video, I'm gonna unbox and review my Butterfly Rapid 4 jar of 750 watts mixer grinder. And let me unbox my package now. You can see the box. In the box, it is mentioned as it is 5,499 bucks, but I got this for only 2,349 because I purchased this on Big Billion Sale. Let me remove this. And guys, here the salient feature has been mentioned. Let me unbox the first one. First jar. It's packed with another box. Guys, in the box you'll get a 4 jar. One is grinding jar of capacity of 0.75, liquidizing jar of capacity 1.5, and another one chutney jar of 0.4 and juice extractor jar of 1.5. This is the first one. And you'll get a mixer like this. You'll get with the lid. All 4 jars has lid with it. And guys, here the grinder is weighing about 4.65 kg. This is the next one, that is third one. And this one is juice extractor jar. This is how it looks. And even the quality is good. It's made up of hard plastic. And here is the presser where you can press your fruit such that it can be extracted easily. If you don't want the juice extractor one, you can just use a lid as a jar. And guys, similarly you'll get another jar. You can just remove that filter and you can use as jar. And this is the grinder, which is of Butterfly, and it is heavy too. And even the design and all, it's good. I'll get different designs also. And guys, you'll get 2 years warranty for this. And here the jar blade, which is of sharp one, and the RPM is of 17,000 to 20,000 RPM, and it required a power of 220 to 240 watt of 50 to 60 hertz and revolution of 18,500, and it is automatic switch off. Guys, let me go towards demo now. I taken some masala item and let me check how it grinds. And guys, here the grinder is about 39 cross 31 cross 24 of depth cross, height cross, width, and the coil which is made up of copper. And even the design is so attractive. You can see the masala is fully grinded well. Guys, I think this is the best jar for this price, and even it has a attractive design with 4 jars. You will get a juice jar also. If you guys want to buy this product, I'll share the link in the description. You can go and check it out once in online. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.